Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be starting the first part of my new series, Comfort Food. First thing I'm going to show you is my personal favorite, a Big Mac wrap. I'm sure this sounds a little unorthodox, but what's the first thing that people think of when they think of comfort food? I don't know. I like to think that fast food, because it's easy, convenient, and you don't have to worry about the details. But today, I'm going to be showing you an easy alternative to make something much better, much tastier. So, without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright, so I'm going to start with a half a pound of ground beef. You might look at this, you might think it's weird. One side is brown, the other side is red, but that has to do with oxidation. When you expose a protein to air, it turns a different color. It doesn't mean it's bad by any means. It just changes color. Now, I don't have a grill. I apologize. But if you want to do this, you got to do it right. Your burger needs to be grilled. So I have a Foreman grill. That's what I'm working with. In the future, I would love to show you many videos of me grilling, but at this point, that's gonna have to do it. So anyway, let's walk over to these ingredients. Alright, so I've got diced onion, shredded lettuce, Thousand Island dressing, diced pickles, and American cheese. And of course my 12-inch flour tortilla. So, let that go. Let's get to the tortilla. Now what you're gonna want, something like this, something like a spatula. You're gonna take your Thousand Island dressing, and this is gonna act like a glue. This is gonna tie the whole thing together. And then this processed cheese. Kind of worries me about the fact that the only cheese that is labeled by a country is American, and the fact that it's processed. That kind of irks me a little bit. I don't know. Anyway, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this tortilla, we're gonna microwave it for 45 seconds. Well, we're gonna do a minute. And what this is gonna do, this is gonna melt that cheese, and at the same time, it's gonna adhere that glue to the tortilla. In order to make this more like a real burger, we're doing it on the Foreman grill. And look at this, look at this. This is what they gave me for a spatula. Are you shitting me? That's how I'm supposed to flip my meat. So it can melt at any second. It's ridiculous. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Awesomeness. Nope. Nope, another minute. Cheese needs to melt. That's fine, because my burger needs more time. Oh, by the way, this is pickle juice, and pickle juice is the best remedy for a hangover ever. I only say that because it's loaded with vinegar and salt. And the two things vinegar and salt do, they dry out and clean your system. So, cheers. Might not taste great, but you know what? It's better than a hangover. Alright, let's check this out now. Oh, yes, perfect. Slide this bad boy out here. By the way, if you've never had a Big Mac, I will leave a picture in the description. Let's see what we got here. You know, that's looking about damn perfect. That stupid thing. It's ridiculous. Alright. Kill the heat to this bad boy. Let's move you over to the cutting board where we can do all the other ingredients. And I will tell you what, besides pickle juice, the best cure for a hangover is this wrap right here. Alright, so we've got our Thousand Island and our melted American cheese. We're going to do shredded lettuce. Diced pickles. Diced onions. And we're going to take our little burger patty. We're going to chop this up. That's the most That's the most important part, is that you actually grill this burger instead of cooking on a flat top, a grill, something like that. And the only seasoning that I added to this burger was salt and pepper. Alright. Roll this bad boy up. Snag a plate. Then we're gonna cut this on the bias, which means at a diagonal. Fucking French. Okay, anyway, let's look at this crosscut. Doesn't that look awesome? I hope you like this video. Thanks for taking part in my comfort food series. This is part 1. I plan on doing a lot more. Thank you for watching.